Hi guys, Stoppy here. Today I've just got a quick unboxing of a Blitzwolf Bluetooth tripod selfie stick. It can support smartphone and sports cameras plus DSLR, so I'm led to believe. It cost me around $20 delivered to Australia from Banggood. So let's open it up and see what we've got. Nicely packaged, and there it is. So let's take it out of the box. Or what does it tell me? Not a lot. It's got a 1/4 inch universal screw head. It's got a wireless remote control which is removable. It's got a tripod, aluminium. It's got 360 degrees rotation, lithium polymer battery, and universal phone holder. So in the box we've got a little thing down there, and I'm not sure if there's anything up that end or not, so I think there is. Let's open that up and see what we've got. Yeah, I've broken it. Anyway. I think it's charger, is it? Boy, it's hard to get out. There we go. That looks like it's a little adapter holder. Quite solid plastic. In this box. It's the charging cable and some paperwork. Put it on one side. And the selfie stick itself. Okay, there it is. Unfolds. It's quite a solid build. Quite sturdy plastic. It's all, well, they say aluminium. I don't know if it is. It's a bit hard to tell these days the way they make plastic. It's for your cell phone holder. Slip in there. I'll do a review as well. This is just a quick unboxing. So the button says push. Anyway, I'll have a play with it, and we'll come back and see how we go. So in the box we've got the selfie stick itself, which folds out, and it's already got the mobile phone holder attached to it. We've got a 1/4 inch adapter. Maybe you've got a sports camera like a GoPro or something, you can connect that to the stick. And we've got the micro USB charger. The stick itself extends out to a maximum of 600mm, and the phone holder can accommodate mobile phones from 3.5 inch to 6 inches. To pair the selfie stick with your mobile phone, it's just simply a matter of pressing this button for a second and the blue light comes on. You take your mobile phone, go to your Bluetooth, and I've already paired it. It'll just appear and it's very easy to connect. To fit the mobile phone to the selfie stick, it's just a matter of grabbing your mobile phone. One side is on a spring, so you can just stretch it out like that. And then it's just a matter of you can turn it to whichever way you want and take a photo. It's just a matter of turning the phone on. Then you've got the camera on, and then you just press the button and takes the photo. Works the same way as any other selfie stick. The good thing about this one also is that the if you wanted to set your selfie stick up as a tripod, which that's what I want to do, very easy to set up. Goes like that, But the beauty of it is that the Bluetooth controller actually pops out and you can stand back and operate it from a distance, which is quite useful. Okay, so what I can say is that it's quite a tight fit here. This is quite a strong clamp, so you shouldn't have too many problems or worries about your phone falling out. I don't think it's going to. It's quite solid. Now, to turn the Bluetooth remote control off, it's simply a matter of holding the button down for 3 seconds. The lights will flash and it will go out. Like so. To recharge, simply press and plug the USB in to the rear port, plug it into your power supply, and that will charge the 65 milliamp battery. Blitzwolf claim it can capture up to 50,000 selfies on the one charge, so we'll yet to find that out. Now, if you wanted to use a sports camera rather than your mobile phone, quite simply, it's very easy to change over. Take your mobile phone out, and then this nut here just unscrews, like so. You can take that, put that there, grab your little 1/4 inch holder, thread the nut back in, tighten that up. And it's got the little wheel here to connect to the little holder. Screw that on, and there you go. You've got your little sports camera, be it a GoPro. I've just got a Turnigy, and that's connected, and you can use the Bluetooth remote controller in the exact same way as with your mobile phone. I have seen some videos and photographs where people have a DSLR connected. I did try it with mine, but I don't think it's going to be all that good a thing to do. Whilst the tripod itself is very stable and seems very strong, the weight of a DSLR may cause it to topple and then for damage to the camera, so I won't be using my DSLR on it. However, for a sports camera as such, or the mobile phone, it's ideal. Once you have the sports camera attached, it is very easy to move. You can tighten that up, make it a little bit tighter, but it does rotate full 360 degrees, and it's quite light in the hand. It actually feels good in the hand as well. I haven't got very large hands, but if you did have large hands, there's plenty of room there for you to grip it, and the button for the Bluetooth remote is within easy thumb reach. All in all, I think it's a very good piece of equipment, and I would recommend it to anybody who's interested in purchasing it. I'll put a link to Banggood, which is the location I purchased from, in the description below. Thanks for watching.